Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Xbox if it's freezing and crashing in some games, and I'm going to give you some tips of how to fix that. So the first thing we want to do is completely restart our Xbox. So hold down the Xbox button and go to turn off and unplug it from the wallet for at least 1 minute and then plug it back in. Maybe there's an issue with your Xbox and just simply unplugging it and plugging it back in fixes. Now, another thing that you can try is going to the game. Maybe it was in the quick resume feature where you turned off your Xbox and you turned it back on and the game was still where you previously had it. Sometimes this quick resume feature could be causing issues, so just go over to the game and go to close and then restart the game. Now, the next tip is going to be because of an HDR handshake issue. Also, it could be because of you're playing on a monitor or something like that, and you have 120 hertz enabled or something. So if you go to general and then go to the right and go to TV and display, and you go to video modes, disable 120 hertz output, then also HDR. I know it sounds silly, but every time I turn on HDR, I have this black handshake issue between my Xbox and my monitor. And whenever I switch over to a game, it's going to go to a black screen as well. So you could try turning off HDR and see if that fixes your issue. And also just try downgrading to 60 hertz and see if that is the issue as well. So I got HDR turned on right here. I always get some sort of black handshake issue where I just see a black screen for about 3 to 4 seconds. So we could try disabling that. Now, another thing we could try is going to Xbox button, then go to My Games and Apps and go to See All. We could delete the game information for a specific game. So let's go over to Minecraft and press options on it, and then go down to Manage Games and Add-ons. Now, if you have Xbox Live, everything should be saved to the cloud unless you delete it from the cloud. So if you restart your Xbox, you got Xbox Live, well, it should download your game saves automatically. So if you delete your single player progress, you should be able to get it back. So we want to go to this, and I'm just going to delete everything. So if you got Xbox Live, you're going to get a third option that says delete everywhere. Just delete it from your console, and then it's going to be deleted. Now you can try restarting your Xbox and then relaunch that game to see if that is fixing the issue. And then another thing that we can do is clear the persistent storage on our Xbox. So if we go down to devices and connections and go over to Blu-ray, we can go to persistent storage and then just clear this out right here. Now, hopefully you're not having any kind of overheating issues with your Xbox. Make sure it's well ventilated, it's away from other objects, and there's not a lot of dust or anything collected on your fan or inside the internal components. So you might have to clean that if you look inside, and there's a lot of dust everywhere. So hopefully one of these tips did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.